wrap him up. You stay there and I'll unplug it, okay? You hold on and I'll go and unplug it. You stay there.
Okay.
I'll do it. Ready?
Okay.
Should we do the wire? Watch this, Ethan. What do we do? Come and show Grandma. Ready? Bring it here. No, no.
What are you going with that?
Let's plug it in over here.
Plug it here.
This is what we do. Wrap it round. Ready? 1, count. 2, 3, my jump trip. 4, stumble trip. 5, 6, 7. Ethan, look. What are we doing? 9. What comes after 9? 10.
10 mothers. 10 mothers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10, 10, 10.
10, 10, 10. Well done.
10, 10,
Should we say night, night, murder? Say night, night, murder. Oh,
Kiss the mother.
kiss the murder. Oh, isn't that nice? Say bye bye. Oh, murder gets a kiss. Isn't that nice? Say see you tomorrow.
Mother. Big. 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 Big.
It is, isn't it? It's loud and noisy.
Ooh.
What does he say? He goes, hmm. What does the murder say?
Again.
Hmm. Say night, night, murder.
Nana, mother.
See you tomorrow.
See you morning.
See you in the morning.
See you morning. Some pebbles. Some pebbles. Some pebbles.
Jumping on the bed.